Vous avez
Right?
voulu rester ici. You're absolutely correct.
ठीक है, मैं
In this,
confused
it
हूँ।
is not mentioned कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ être के साथ ही होगा. Right? It depends on the verb. जो हमारी मेन वर्ब हमारी जो इस केस में हमारी
Hey there, welcome to frenchnyou, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories and more.
nous avons fait because my question
Nous
was qu'est-ce
avons,
que nous avons fait dans le cours précédent. So nous avons fait
fait होगा, nous avons fait the Benny Passé Composé as
euh,
homework.
comme le devoir, d'accord? Et de
Venir,
plus, le verbe venir.
the verb venir Passé Composé.
Au passé composé.
Au Passé Composé,
Au
le
passé
devoir.
comme le devoir.
Pour devoir. Okay. Hein?
Comme le devoir, as the homework. So I have I have pasted some questions over here on my screen, and you can scroll it at your end also. Okay, go ahead. Let's do these questions. And in case you are not aware of any particular past participle of any verb, of any irregular verb, you can always refer back to the or maybe past participle table. I have already made you write the
Yeah.
irregular one, right?
But I was asking first the meaning of plural. Elle, seventh one, first question. Elle sorti en plural.
En pleurant. That means while crying. She left
Plural
while
is
crying.
crying.
हाँ जी मैम.
हाँ ये third question में
Mm-hmm.
the first one is वो voulait rester ici, meaning they want to rest here.
Yeah.
So I'm confused solving this. Like être के साथ तो वही 16-17 like 16-17 verbs are there. So that
Mm-hmm.
means it will be avoir only. Vous allez.
What do you think? What will it be according to you?
That is what what I have vous allez and vouloir ka I'll find out the Passé Composé. Vous voulez rester ici.
So
They want to rest here. They wanted to
yeah,
rest here.
yeah. Vous avez
Right?
voulu rester ici. You're absolutely correct.
ठीक है, मैं
In this,
confused
it
हूँ।
is not mentioned कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ être के साथ ही होगा. Right? It depends on the verb. जो हमारी मेन वर्ब हमारी जो इस केस में हमारी जो conjugated verb है, we will see that. And here it is boule. Boule is the conjugated one.
हाँ,
Because
right. I saw that.
because the conjugated verb decides the tense. If the conjugated verb is in present tense, that means the sentence is in present. If the conjugated verb is in the past tense, then that makes sense, right? To convert it in passive composite.
What is poubelle?
Poubelle is a dustbin.
Yeah, part I've done. J'ai complètement.
J'ai complété, j'ai fini le travail. Okay. I'm giving one more question for more practice. Just give me a moment. And as Anubhutiya will also be able to see the questions here. And then together we will discuss all the exercises. All right, ma'am. Are you able to see the screen? See the questions below? Ma'am, have you done? Okay. Can you take a screenshot of this, ma'am? Because I
I've
have
already
another.
noted.
Acha, you have already noted? Okay.
Now I'm
Okay.
just I'm doing answers.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am, actually another session of mine has already started. So you complete this, and then in the next class, I will discuss all the answers together with Anubhuti.